Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a website for your janitorial service business really quickly and easily using Mighty Sites. So all you have to do, go to mightysitescom. It's only $9 a month, and they have all these different small business templates pre-built. And it's a really easy system to use, probably the easiest way to create a website. So you just go to janitorial service. So I'm just going to select the template here. I'll put in Keegan's janitorial service as my business, and then location I'll put Denver, Colorado, and then type of business it's a service business, and then I'll click continue. Now as soon as I do that, it's going to automatically generate a simple professional website for my business. So you can see here as I scroll down, all the pictures, all the text is written, the color palette's picked out, and all I have to do is now edit this to the way I like. So first thing I can do, I can change the colors. So if there's a specific theme or color that I really like for my business, all I need to do is I can just go through all of these different color palettes and just pick the color theme that really works for my business. So you can see I can go red, there's blacks, there's pinks, there's greens, and I can just pick the one that I feel like, hey, this is really the way that I like it, this is the look I like, and once I find one I like, I just click save, and that's the color palette that I can use for my business, right? Which is really nice and easy. Now, the other thing I can do, which makes a big impact on the look of the site, is I can go in and I can update any of these sections and change any of the images. So I can go here and I can browse and upload one from my computer, or I can search the photo library that's built in here, and I can just select one that I really like. So it'll come, I can just search here. I'm going to search janitor. Maybe I prefer, for whatever reason, maybe I prefer, so that's the one that we're actually using. Maybe I prefer this picture, right? So I can select that photo and then save the image selection and close it. And now I've got a brand new photo in that background, right? And then I can play around with which color theme, I feel like works really well with the picture that I've chosen. So there's a lot I can do here really easily to kind of create the look that I'm going for my website. So you can see I can click through, select a color theme, save it, and select any of the images. Now the other thing that I can do is just simply update any of these sections by going in and clicking on wherever I want to update. So first thing, let's add my email address to the website. I want people to be able to contact me. I'm going to show it on there. There it is. Let's add my phone number too. So there's my phone number. Save it, close. Just going to refresh it, change the colors. So then I can add my address if I want, but I don't have to. I can also add my social media links. So let's just say you can just copy and paste the link to your social media sites. So let's just say I have an Instagram, and I have a Twitter. I can just add those, close. Now those are linked here as well. I can update this section and update any menu items. So if I just want to add a new menu item, I can choose where it links to a different website, to somewhere on my website, to an action. Right now I'll just have it linked to maybe my about section, and confirm, and then add that to my menu, click save. And then you can see now I've got a new menu item here, the one I just added. I can go over here to my other section. I can update a logo if I want. So if I browse my computer, I just need to look for my business logo on my computer. And then as soon as I find it, let me just go in here and find this. I can upload this. And as soon as it uploads, just click save. And then you can see my logo here on the website. Now I can click on these buttons to make it bigger, make it smaller, or I can click on this little pencil icon, and then I can even crop it down. So if I want to crop it this way and crop it here, and then I just click done, and I just cropped a little bit off the top and bottom, click save, and now it's appearing bigger on the site, which is nice too. So you can see everything's coming along pretty quickly and easily here with my website, and I'm not much work, pretty easy to create a simple website for a janitorial service business. And if I go to update section, it says commercial and office cleaning, industry leader in janitorial and commercial cleaning. I think that's pretty nice, but I could just click to edit this if I want. Maybe let's just say I just want to capitalize this or something like that. You can see whatever I type for the title and subtitle shows up there. I can also add some text as well. Request a free estimate. I always like to link that to the lead form section. I'll show you how that works in a minute. So now that's done. If somebody clicks on this, it takes them right here to submit themselves as a lead for my business. I can go to the contact us button. I always like to have that be an action item where when they click on it, it automatically calls my business. Knowing that a lot of people are on a mobile phone just makes it easier for them to call me. And then I can type in anything I want for any of these sections, and I can just watch it appear. So I can type in, this is how you build a website for a janitorial service business. So you can see I can type it in there, and then I can make it, I can make things bold, make them italicized. I can add a link if I want. It's really easy to edit this template as well. So I can close that out. Again, I can change any of these images. I can update any of the service information. And then if I go down here, here's how my lead form works. So I'll just submit myself as a lead. Whoops. Type in my name. And then I am interested in janitorial cleaning services, please. And then click send. And now I'll get this little thank you message. And that's pretty much all it takes to build my website. So you can see in just a few minutes, I built a simple professional website for a janitorial service business using Mighty Sites. Again, this is only $9 a month. And then I can go to my site dashboard, and every time I get a new lead, I'll get an email letting me know I have a lead, and then I click in here and I can see the person who's interested in my business services. So just like that, really pretty quickly and easily, I can create a website for my business, and then you see it comes with a secure certificate, so your website is secure. You don't have to worry about that. And you can connect a custom domain, so you paste in your domain. You'll get a set of instructions for the updates you need to make with your registrar. So just simple updates that need to be made with either Google domains, GoDaddy, domain.com, whoever you're using. But once that's done, the system will connect between Mighty Sites and your domain registrar, and you'll have this on a custom domain. So just like that, you can quickly and easily create a simple professional website for your janitorial service business.